Now, here are the examples based on the LSA and TSA of cube and cuboid children. Your first example is Mary wants to decorate her Christmas tree. She wants to place the tree on a wooden box covered with colored paper with pictures of Santa Claus. She must know the exact quantity of paper to buy for this purpose. If the box length, breadth and height is given here, length is 80 centimeters, breadth is 40 centimeters and height is 20 centimeters. How many square sheets of paper of side 40 centimeters would she require? Consider if this is a box now children. On this she want to place the Christmas tree. So in order to wrap this box with the golden paper or something like Santa Claus pictures. So how much area of the paper is required? They are asking children. See here, this is the actual picture how she want to place. So here is the box and here is the tree. It is given length of the box is 80 centimeters, breadth is 40 centimeters, height is 20 centimeters. So as the box is in cuboid shape, we have to go for TSA of cuboid. 2 into LB plus BH plus HL is your formula children. Now wherever there is a L, substitute it as 80 centimeters. Wherever there is B, substitute it as 40. So L into B means 80 into 40 plus 40 into 20 plus 20 into 80 will be your next step children. After that you have to go for calculation. On calculating 80 into 40 you will get 3200. 40 into 20 you will get 800. 20 into 80 you will get 1600. After that add all these three numbers children, then multiply with 2. So what you will get, that is your answer children. Now you are getting it as 1200 centimeters square. The area of one sheet of paper is 40 centimeters square. 40 into 40 is 1600 centimeters square. So total how many sheets you require of such that? So I will divide the whole area by this 1600. Henceforth I can find out the number of sheets required. So surface area of the box by area of one sheet of paper. Total surface area was 1200 divided by 1600. On cancellation 0 gets cancelled and 16 ones are 16 sevens are. Hence we need the number of sheets of paper required is 7. Okay, your example 2 is Hamid has built a cubical water tank with lid of its house with each edge is 1.5 meter long. He gets the outer surface of the tank excluding the base. Okay, covered with square tiles each of side 25 centimeters. So your tank they are placing like this children. Can you see this figure here? It is a tank and one small squares. The tank is also in cube shape and the tiles will be also in square shape. So how many tiles you are going to fix on this tank is your question. Now they have given the edge of the cubical tank as 1.5 meter, that I will convert it into 150 centimeter. Why? Because the tiles has been given in centimeters children. So I have converted it into centimeter. Surface area of the tank. Why I am taking 5 phases means the top will be open in the tank. Hence 5 into 150 into 150 and we are not going to place the tiles on the top. Hence and area of each square tile, as it is square in shape I will take area as side into side. So 25 into 25 centimeters square. Now number of tiles required, how to find it? Number of tiles required. So I will divide this 5 into 150 into 150 by 25 into 25. On cancellation what I am going to get, that I will show you here. So 5 5s are 25, 5 3s are 0 and again 5 1s are 5 6s are. Next 5 1s are 5 1s are 5 5s are 25, 5 1s are 5 30s are gets cancelled. 6 into 30 is 180. So cost of 1 dozen of tiles. 1 dozen, what is meant by 1 dozen means it is 12. Cost of 12 tiles is rupees 360. Then what is the cost of 180 tiles I have to find out. If cost of 12 tiles is 360, what is the cost of one tile? I should find out first. So I will divide with 12. On division, I will get 12 ones are 12 3 are 36. So 30 rupees is the cost of one tile. When I multiply this 30 rupees with 180 rupees, 180 tiles, I will get the total cost of the tiles. So therefore, the total cost of the tiles is rupees 5400. This is your example 2, children. Take a snap and copy in your notes. Here is your exercise 13.1. First question, children. They have given a plastic box 1.5 meter long and 1.25 meter wide and 65 centimeter deep. Can you observe here what is the difference, children, in all these three? One is in meter, another one is meter, but other one is in centimeter. So first you have to make the units equal, then proceed the sum. They have asked the area of sheet required for making the box. So total area you have to find out, children. Box making, we can't exclude the top or bottom. Hence we will go for total surface area. As they have given here three different dimensions, it is a cuboid. Okay, then you will write the formula for area of an cuboid, that is TSA of cuboid. Okay, children, this is the box where they have given the length, breadth and height. Kindly draw this in your notebooks. And I have again written what is the length, breadth and height given. And in your question, they have already given box is to be open at the top. Hence, when box is opened at the top, the remaining faces will be only 5, children. So, area of the top open box for 5 faces, that formula I am going to write now. 2h into L plus B plus L into B. What is the height? Height is 0.65 meters, length 1.5 meters and 1.25 meters is your breadth. So in order to that, I will substitute all the values. First I will add length plus breadth, multiply it with 2h and then add with L into B. Okay, see here, children, I have written the values. After that, can you observe here what I have done? I have multiplied these two, I got 1.3. On adding these two, I got 2.75 and multiplying this, I got 1.875. Further, what you should do means you should multiply here first and then what is the answer? 3.575. You have to add with 1.875. Next, you will get the final answer as 5.45 meters square. Thank you, children.